Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me for today's video, which I'm really excited about because today I've got the brand new Sephora exclusive Urban Decay Moondust Quad. I'm really excited to check this out with you today. As you can tell, I've already got my full face of makeup done. If you'd like to see the tutorial on how I created this look using the Urban Decay Naked Palette, I'll be sure to link that up here in the eye. Check down below in the description box if you're interested. But today, I'm really excited to play with the brand new Moondust Quad. Now, they are releasing, this is the holiday release from Urban Decay. That is the Sephora exclusive Moondust palette and the cute little quad. And these are 4 new shades. Here are the shade names in the back. I'm sorry about the ring light blinding you. Hopefully I can, there we go. There are the shade names in the back. And yeah, they're going to be releasing another palette, another Moondust palette in the shape of a star. That should be out in a few more days, which, you know, your girl's going to pick that up too. So if you're curious to see my thoughts on that, make sure you subscribe, click the notification bell so you don't miss when that video comes out. But yeah, today I'm going to top off my already done eye look with 1 or 2 of these beautiful Urban Decay glittery eye toppers. Oh my gosh, look at the sparkle. I don't know. Let me turn on the lights. I'm going to turn down the lights so that you can see the sparkle. One sec. Ooh, look at that beautiful palette. Wow, I'm sorry for the ring light that is also blinding you, but I hope that you're getting some of the effect of this beautiful quad. Oh my gosh, look at that. Hold on, right there. Trying to get a thumbnail for you, right there. Thumbnail. Okay, so anyways, here is what the palette looks like. Let me turn the light back on. Oh, lost the pillow I was sitting on. Okay, so I'm gonna pull my mirror up, and I didn't even take a picture of this palette yet. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, here we are, guys. I never claimed to be a very good YouTuber, okay? Just having fun here. What can I say? All right. I really don't think that a brush is going to do, I don't think a brush is going to do this palette any justice at all. So I'm going to go ahead and just, let me give you a close-up of what the eye looks like to start off with, so you can see what we're going from to what difference this makes. I'm going to go ahead and add, I want to do this really pretty soft pink here. There is a difference in glitteriness and hues of pink between these 2 beautiful shades here. But I'm going to go ahead and take the one that is not peachy, but more pinky. Oh, so pretty. This is what it looks like. I don't really know if you can see, but here we go. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, see, look at the difference that just gave to the eye. I really hope you can see the difference. Let me turn down the light, see if that helps at all. And so I just tapped a little bit of that shade there, and it's actually stunning. Wow, that really amped up this look and made it go from like day to night, or just like a beautiful glittery day. Okay, and I really do want to try a different shade on the other eye just so I can see what they look like. So let's go ahead and do that. Let me turn the light back on. Sorry. Okay, so just for funsies, I am going to take a shader into this brown one, and I'm going to put that on the back half of the first eye and just see, like over towards where I've got the brown mats. And let's just see what it does. So it did kind of add a little bit of like a brown sparkly hue. And if you didn't want to use any mattes, you could use this shade here as your outer corner glittery deepening up shade, so that you have just a little bit of that smoky look. Oh my gosh, look at the difference that made. I really don't know if the camera, okay, hold on. I really don't know if the camera is picking it up, but here in person, I can see the beautiful little soft, sparkly brown that I added to my matte outer edge. And that actually, those two shades actually look really beautiful together. I didn't think I was going to get a lot of use out of that brown one because I figured that it wouldn't show up very much. And I'm not sure what it's going to look like all over the lid, but I feel like there's a lot more sparkle than I give it credit for. And turns out that I think I'm going to end up pairing this one towards the outer part with all of these shades here. So I think I am going to end up getting a lot of use out of that one. Okay, so over here on this other eye, let's just take a look and see the difference between the two pinks, and let's see what they look like on the eye. So I'm going to take a clean finger into the peachy. Now I'm going to go into the peachy one, and we'll put that. Ooh, that one has some fire. Do you see? Okay, we're going to put that one here on this side. Let me get my hair out of the way. Oh my goodness. That one has a beautiful iridescent shift. I don't know if it is coming across on screen. Wow. It's got like a, hold on, I'm gonna turn off the light. It's got like a little bit of a bright pink fiery sparkle. Oh, it's really pretty. I really like that. Yeah, really like that. Okay, so here is the eye again. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the brown sparkle towards the back. And let's just see how that looks. Yeah, see? I do really, really like that shade a lot. I'm going to add another layer of the pink sparkly one because I want to just see how it builds up. Because I did notice with my older Moondust one, the last year's one, let me grab that for you. Where is it? Oh, here it is. What was I even saying? I did notice that with last year's Moondust palette, this is the one that I have. I had the one that had the more colorful shades, and I ended up just getting a single of the Space Cowboy, but I wish I would have picked up both of them last year. Anyways, I just couldn't get into the idea of it because I really wasn't into the Moondust toppers yet at that time. I didn't like know or understand the hype. I had never used them. So now I'm all about them and I love them and I totally get it. But yeah, here is the difference between the two eyes. I hope that you're seeing any of that sparkle. Let me move this mirror completely. I'm going to get really, really close to the camera. And I'm going to turn off the light and let you see here also. I hope that's doing anything for you, but I can see it here on the screen, so I hope you are too. Anyways, yeah, so far, loving this palette. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I am going to try, I don't typically do glitter as an inner corner because again, I'm afraid that I'm going to end up with that stuff in my eyes. But for science, I'm going to test that out today with this eye look. Okay, I'm going to use this really cute, soft, beautiful little detailed blender brush from the Units set that I got at Beautylish. And I'm loading up my brush. I'll bring the mirror back. Oh my goodness. She's sparkly. Can you see? I don't know if it's catching the light from there. I hope it is. But yeah, you definitely can do a full eye look, in my opinion, with the shades given in this palette. This quad is not just for sparkly individual shades that you can use. I feel like this is two complete looks. Like you can get multiple glittery looks out of this just because of the difference in the shades and the way that it, the pigment plays out. Like, wow. There it is. There it is in the inner corner. I'm going to turn off the light again, let you see. Okay, here it is. I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm sure you can tell by looking, but I hope that you can get something from the visuals here and that you can see the sparkly effect of this palette, of this little, I hope that you can see the sparkly effect of this little quad, this cute little palette. So, okay, yeah, I have officially tried every single shade in the palette. I do want to see what it looks like as a brow bone highlight. So, which one do we like? With the brow bone? Wow, look at that sparkle of the brow bone highlight. I am going to go ahead and do it over here too. Ooh, yeah. I really like this quad. And you know what? I feel like I'm going to get more use from this quad than I have so far from this like quad palette. Yeah, and actually I feel like I'll be able to use these together to get more range out of this one. Or maybe I just need to try some dedicated looks using only this palette to see if I can get some variety out of this one. So yeah, so far this is my favorite Moondust palette out of the two. I'm really looking forward to checking out the one that will be coming out in a few days in the cute little star-shaped palette. So yeah, I'm gonna be picking that one up and checking that one out right away. So can't wait to see what that one's all about. But that's going to do it for this short and sweet little Urban Decay Moondust quad from the holiday 2024 release. I really, really love all of the shades. I do like this eye more just because it's got that like fiery flash, kind of like it gives the appearance of like a duochrome shift. I don't think it's actually a duochrome, or maybe it's got some duochrome glitters in it, but I love this for like a real pretty daytime look, and I like this side, the peachy one, for more of like a nighttime or a fun time look. Anyway, so let me know what you think of the looks down below. Let me know which of the shades you think will be your favorite if you were playing with this quad. Let me know if you plan to pick this one. Let me know if you plan to pick this one up. Don't forget, it is this one in this cute little quad shape is a Sephora exclusive, and I do love that Sephora's version of the Moondust is in a simple little squared shape palette because it makes it easy to store, and it just takes up less space that way. Although, and you know, the star shape palette version that's coming out at all the other retailers or whatever where it's going to be available, that one that's coming out soon is in a cute little star shape, but it's like really bulky and hard to store. So we'll have to see how I get along with that, but I'm looking forward to checking that one out soon. Anyways, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to click the like button. It really does help my small channel out so much. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Click the notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my videos, so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Hi, welcome back into my channel. Thank you so much for joining me for today's video, which I'm really excited about because today I am playing with the brand new Sephora. That was my bad. I should have waited a minute. All right, take two.